So, you want to know about BAJAJFINSV Limited, right? Well, let me tell you, this Indian company is a powerhouse in the financial services industry. BAJAJFINSV Limited is more than just a lender or an insurance provider, it's a multifaceted player with a wide range of products and services under its umbrella. From personal loans to home renovations, they've got you covered. They even offer wind power investment opportunities. Can you believe that? The company operates through life insurance, general insurance, wind power, retail financing, investments, and other segments. One of the things that sets BAJAJFINSV apart is its diverse product portfolio. They not only lend money to individuals but also invest in various assets like homes, cars, gold, and real estate. And, if you're a business owner, they've got loan options for small and medium-sized enterprises as well. But what really excites investors is the company's strong financials. BAJAJFINSV has consistently generated high returns on investment. In fact, their dividend yield is around 0.05%, which is pretty impressive. And, if you take a closer look at their market capitalization, it's over $324 billion. Now, let's talk about why investors are interested in BAJAJFINSV. The company has been expanding its operations rapidly, and this growth is reflected in its stock price. With a dividend yield of 0.05%, investors can expect regular income from their investments. Additionally, the company's strong financials and diversified product portfolio make it an attractive option for those looking to invest in the financial services sector. But what really sets BAJAJFINSV apart is its commitment to innovation. The company has been investing heavily in digital technology and has already made a significant impact on the industry. With over 138 windmills generating electricity, they're not just playing in the renewable energy space, they're actually driving growth in the sector. So, there you have it. BAJAJFINSV Limited is a force to be reckoned with in the financial services industry. With its diverse product portfolio, strong financials, and commitment to innovation, this Indian company is poised for continued success in the years to come. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.